How to outline a person in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Come into your layers panel and double click on the layer that contains your person. This will open up this layer style window. Click into stroke. This will enable the stroke, and then you'll be able to come into the stroke structure and increase or decrease the size of the outline that you want for your project. I'm going to go for something like this just for this demonstration. Next, you can come down to position and choose from outside, inside and center. Outside will be from the outside edge of your person, inside will be from the inside edge of your person, and center will be on the center edge of your person. Choose which one suits you best. Next, you can change the opacity. If we bring this down, it removes the stroke. If we bring this up, it increases the opacity of the stroke. Next, you can choose the fill type. So you've got color, gradient and pattern. We're going to stick for color in this example. And if you click into this box here, you can change the color of the stroke to suit what you need for your projects. You can choose OK to come out of this. Once you're happy, click OK, and that's all there is to it.